So in this question, if we need this inequality to be satisfied, we have to have this number to fall between 0 to 1. For example, if this was 1/16th, that entire quantity. In this case, 1/4 square is 1/16, so this whole thing would be 2, and that would satisfy this. So this has to fall between 0 and 1. Now, the problem is we're given that n is an integer. So if n is an integer, then this whole thing is an integer. And we can't get it to fall between 0 and 1. It has to be a whole number. It could be 1, it could be 0, it could be -1, but it can't fall between 0 to 1. So therefore, there is no solution. The answer is D. Now, in the real exam, you could be also examining it with different values. For example, if n was 1, so you would get this to be 1 minus 7 plus 11. 12 minus 7 is 5, and you'll see that that's not possible because 1/4, you won't be able to get to 5 because it will, any powers here, it will just shrink it. You can try some other values. For example, n is 2, so 4 minus 14 plus 11, so you get 1 here, and 1/4 to the 0 would be 1. In this case, this would be 0, but the condition is greater than 0. If this was equal, then we could say that n equal to 2 would give us a solution, but because it's greater than 0, that is not a solution. So if you examine other values, you always find that, of course, this expression would be an integer, but we won't be able to get to any values between 0 to 1, and that's why the solution is 0.